Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right permissions, otherwise you cannot publish a locker widget. Once you have admin or editor access, open the dashboard and go straight to Locker Widgets. Click Create New, pick a template that matches your use case, and set basic visibility. Make sure to assign a target folder or user group before moving on. This establishes who will see content and enforces rules from the outset. Now you configure behavior and populate the locker. Add content items and set expiration or retention policies. Enable encryption for sensitive files. Next, configure triggers. Choose time-based releases, user actions, or API-driven events to automate deliveries. Adjust the widget UI, size, animations, labels, and mobile responsiveness so it fits different screens. Test each trigger and content item locally. This helps catch logic gaps. Once the behavior and visuals are set, prepare to connect integrations. Finish by connecting integrations like single sign-on, payment processors, and analytics to capture events. Run a full test suite with different users and devices, including edge cases such as expired items or permission changes. Deploy to a small cohort first, monitor logs and metrics, then roll out. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check access logs and widget error traces first. They reveal permission failures or API timeouts and let you decide whether to roll back or patch quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.